Here we go, HobbyBox604, back with another group break. This is group break 570, single box of 1314 Upper Deck Upper Deck Ultimate Collection. 3 times it is, teams and the names. Good luck, here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Calgary on top, San Jose on the bottom. And next would be the teams, the names. So we got Harrison with 5, Martin with 5, Shane with 5, Wes with 5, SB Hockey with 5, and Jedi Koski with 5. 3 times, 1, 2, and 3. SB Hockey on top, Harrison on the bottom. Okay, 1 second here. Okay. Okay, SB Hockey, you have the Flames. Wes, you have Oilers. Shane, you have Chicago. J.D. Koski, L.A. West, Arizona, Winnipeg. J.D. Koski, Montreal. Harrison, Anaheim. J.D. Koski, Vancouver, Islanders. Shane, Martin, you have Detroit, Florida. SB Hockey, Toronto, West. Nashville, Harrison. Boston, Harrison. Tampa, Shane. St. Louis, Shane. Buffalo, SB Hockey. Columbus, Harrison. Dallas, SB Hockey. New Jersey and Minnesota, Martin. Pittsburgh, West. Washington, J.D. Koski. Ottawa, J.D. Koski. Rangers, Shane. Philly, Martin. Carolina, SB Hockey. Colorado, Martin. And San Jose, Harrison. We'll be back with the box break.